Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. If this is your first time, I want to say welcome. My name is Alicia Nicole, and today's video is going to be about a drugstore affordable glam. You're also going to get a lash tutorial, a foolproof, bulletproof application. So stay tuned. First, we're going to go in with our foundation. I'm using NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in Nutmeg. Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Golden. There's Corey walking in the room asking for a banana, per usual. Now we have Christian. He's coming in to see what I'm doing. I'm going to go back in with my same foundation just to blend in the concealer to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with my black Radiance translucent powder in Banana, and I'm just going to set all the areas that I concealed. Next, for contour, I'm just going back into my NYX foundation, and I'm going to use a darker shade to contour the sides or the hollows of my cheekbones, as well as the surrounding areas of my face. Here's a little trick. I take my two fingers and I dip it into the contour shade, and I pinch my nose for a more narrow appearance. Next, I'm just taking some more translucent powder and setting those areas to make sure that the colors don't move. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline City Bronzer, and I'm just going to go ahead and set every area that I contoured. To complete my contour, I'm going back in with that shade and a small blending brush, and I'm just going to go over the bridge of my nose as well as my eyelids. For brows, I'm going in with Black Radiance Brow Powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows. This part, I'm really not worried about my brows. I'm not trying to do them perfectly. I just need to fill them in a little bit for this look. going in with E.L.F. liquid eyeliner and creating a small wing. After you finish sweeping off any excess powder on your face, I'm actually going to go in with some setting spray, and I'm using PIXI Rose Water, and you can get this from Walgreens. I'm just going to spray this from the top to the bottom of my face to set. To highlight my face, I'm going in with Maybelline Master Chrome, and I'm just going to highlight the highest parts of my face, you know, the cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow of your lips, and the tip of the nose. So before we apply our lashes, make sure you put a little bit of mascara to make sure that there's no powder or any leftover materials on your lashes. To apply your lashes, you're going to need your lashes. You're going to need a nice set of tweezers, some duo eyelash glue, and some scissors to make sure that you can cut your lashes to fit your eyelid. Before applying any lash, make sure that you've measured them and cut off any excess lash. You don't want them to be uncomfortable, and you don't want them to be too long. After you've done that, the next step is taking your duo lash glue, and you're going to go ahead and apply a generous amount to your lash line. It's going to be blue, but it's going to dry clear. After you apply your lash glue, you're going to go ahead and apply some lash glue to your lashes. And you're going to just apply a generous amount of that as well onto the lash. You will see that the glue will start drying clear on your eyes, and once the glue starts to dry clear onto the lash band, you're going to go ahead and apply. You want to actually apply the lash as close as you can to your natural lash line. Get as close as you can, and once you're there, just gently place the lash on top of your lashes. You'll see that it actually sticks very perfectly. Once you're done with that, you're going to take the tweezers and you're going to kind of press them together to mesh your eyelashes with the lash. We're going to repeat the same steps for the other eye. Here, I'm just making sure that the eyelashes are on perfectly, that nothing is poking me, that everything is comfortable, and that my eyelids are actually not stuck together. To complete this look, I'm going in with my NYX Deep Warm Brown Lip Pencil, and I'm just going to outside the outside of my lips for a more full look. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to make your lips look fuller, please reference to my previous video. For my lipstick, I'm using NYX Lingerie. I don't have the shade right now, but I'll link that down below. I'm just going to apply that to the middle of my lips, and I'm going to blend that out. For gloss, I'm using E.L.F. Plumping Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to put that over top everything for a nice plump and juicy look. Now I'm going to take off my do-rag and show you guys my hair. The look is complete, and look who came to visit me, Baby Fred. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I want to say thank you guys again for watching, and please leave any comments or suggestions, anything that you want to see. Let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.